You know, like, you worry about you, I worry about me. You know what I'm saying? What you do is what you do. What I do is what I do. Yeah, I'm in my own lane. I like that. Yeah, I'm in my own lane. There's only one way I gotta live. When the beat going hard, I gotta kill. And they ain't worried about how you haters feel. I'm in my own lane. I'm in my own lane. I was built for this, meant for this. I can't stand for this. God gave me life and I'm gon' bless him till the death of this. Money making switch on your scene. Yeah, I'm filthy rich. Blessings after blessings every day. I'm kinda cool with this. Back in '05, I was blind, couldn't picture this. Blessings all around me like I'm drowning. I might need a ship.
Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? It's got Bill Boss on the back with another video. Like to thank God for this opportunity, but guess what? Today is another great day. You're gonna go harvest some soybeans today. And first stop, got a cousin broke down. We gotta go down here and check on him. Still got it going on with his auger on his soybean head. Stop, grab some breakfast, but I'm just not leaving. Leaving the house, getting me a good start this morning. Been a long day, but I'm gonna get some footage of us harvesting soybeans. And we get on this road and get rolling. I'll be back shortly. Well, I'm back with the video. Went down that hill cool, got his combine squared away. Gotta go back later on tonight to get finish up. I'm definitely on the road. That's been running about an hour or so. Having a good time. Beans chilling out good, they dry. We're gonna have a good day today, you know. Real good day. Real good day. Been a tough week, been a tough last 2 weeks. Slow go. Lot going on. Family. At the end of the day, we having fun. What we do every day. It's my favorite time of the year. It's all about seeing what you done right, what you done wrong. Look at that. Had a lot of rain this year. We over 20 inches of rain than our normal routine. So I'm gonna get another little video a little later on, zoom back, shut those down for a few, and I'll be back shortly. Well, here we go again, we get ready to unload. Old man, pull it back on. Load them out. Oh, big range car driver in the world right there, operator. Oh man. PCI, make sure it's doing a good job. He's throwing on out the back. Got my tank full. I got to work on the brain part a little bit, so go back in and check behind myself. Try to get it again. Got 3 chiller valves running. Try to get across the ground today. Supposed to have a pretty good forecast for the week, so we're gonna try to knock as many acres we can, pop the can out. While we got a chance with the good weather. And that's what it looks like. Everybody, how y'all doing? Finna get ready to wrap this up. I'm back. Quick videos of what's been going on during the harvest season, and I'll wrap this video up. This has been the best run I had all week. Just started a new week. We've been harvesting soybean for about 9 days right now, and today ought to be a big day. I think we'll hit 200 acres with both machines. About 9 days, been fighting mud for 9 days, and finally got some good dry conditions where we can really get out and work. And we're gonna hit the 200 acres today, so that's a big dig. I got
South Headland, there should be either 2 or 3 scarecrows on the outside headland by the trees.
Me and my nephew out here hard together. And like head training, doing a real good job. And I'm gonna holler at him on the radio. All right, nephew, I got him. I saw him. I know I saw 3. I get him. But back to this video. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'll see y'all next week. Sorry for not posting a video last week, and sorry for being late this week, but I had a lot going on the last 2 weeks. It's been a long, stressful week, but through the grace of God, we made it through it. So see y'all next week, and hope y'all enjoy this footage. Have fun. Love you. Talk to you later. Peace.
The love is little, but the hate is plenty. The world is on your shoulders. I know the weight is heavy. I work a 9 to 5. I feel your pain and Fendi. In it for the money, dummy. I ain't made a penny. This for your kids and mine. Gotta reverse the damage. It hurts to fathom how young we letting the hearses have them. How many kids would be alive if it wasn't for them throwing up a kick a gang sign? You tell me if I'm lying. Straight up, that's real talk. You see the ground, that's real chalk. These teenagers get built off. The big shit like bad get silked off. And they can only learn what we teach them if it's only fit.